Guys, welcome you again. My name is Ujjwal Singh and in this video we will talk about while loop in Java. So let's start the video by looking at the agenda. So here we have the agenda for the video guys. First of all, we will see the definition of while loop. Then we'll see the syntax and one example. After that, we'll see the definition of do while loop. And after that, we'll see the syntax and example of do while loop. So let's start. So guys, here's the definition of while loop. It's very simple but a little tricky. The while loop loops through a block of a code as long as a specified condition is true. That means it loops through a block of a code as long as a condition is true. Okay. More about while loop, then we can say while loop is very useful because it saves time, uh, reduce the error, and make code more readable. So guys, here we have the syntax and example for the while loop. Let's try to understand this. On the left side, you can see the syntax of it that says while then condition, and then as per the condition, if it's true or false, we're going to print the message to the user. On the right side, you can see the example. We have the variable which is integer I equals to 0, and then we have the while I less than 5. So this is the condition here that we're going to run the loop until the I is less than 5, until this condition is true. So and we are also increasing the value of I by 1. It says I plus plus, correct? So first of all, we'll check if I is less than 5. So yes, the initial value of I is 0 and 0 is less than 5, so it's going to print I, then it's going to be 0. You can see the output on the right side, and then again it's going to increase the value of I by 1, so I becomes 1. Then we'll check if 1 is less than 5, so yes it is. Then we'll again print the 1 and we'll increase the value of I by 1, so it becomes 2. Then we'll check if 2 is less than 5, so yes it is. In that manner it will keep looping, and then once it reach here where it says I is uh, less than 5, which is not, because I is 5, so it will come out from the program. And this is how it happened. Let's go ahead and see the do while loop. Here we have the definition of do while loop guys, so let's try to understand this. It says the do while loop is a variant of a while loop. This while loop executes the code block once before checking if the condition is true or not. Then it will repeat the loop as long as the condition is true, which means it's different from the while loop. In while loop, what we were doing, first of all, we were checking the condition, and as per the condition, if it's true, then we were printing the value. But here, before checking the condition, we print the value once, and then we will check the condition until it's true. Let's see the syntax and example. Here we have the syntax and example for do while loop guys. So let's go ahead and try to understand this. On the left side, you can see the syntax that says do, then the message to be print, and then we are checking the condition. You can see it's different from the while loop where first we were checking the condition and then we are printing the value. Here first we print the value and then check the condition. Let's see the example on the right side, that how it's going to work. So it says int I equals to 0, so the value of I is 0, and it says print I. I'm sorry. So first of all, it will print I, which is 0, and then it will increase the value of I by 1, so it become 1, and it will check if 1 is less than 5, so yes it is. It will print 1 and then increase the value of I by 1, so it becomes 2. Then 2 is less than 5, and in this manner it will keep looping until the condition is false. When it reach I is less than 5, when the I is 5, so 5 is not less than 5, so condition will become false and it will come out from the program. I hope you understand this concept. Thank you so much for watching the video guys. I hope I was able to help you to understand the concept of while loop and do while loop. Please like the video if you liked it. Subscribe to the channel so you do not miss any videos in the future. You can also leave us a comment as you already know. If you have any suggestion, please share with us. And that's all for this week. Catch you in the next. Bye bye.